Today I'm going to show you the difference between the Quiet 22 by CCI and the Standard Velocity 22 by CCI. Both are a 40 grain, except the Quiet 22 fires at 710 feet per second, while the Standard Velocity fires at 1070 feet per second. They're both subsonic, but the Quiet 22 is significantly slower by about 30%. As you can see, the Quiet 22 on the left side here has a hollow tip, while the Standard Velocity has a round tip. The hollow tip will spread apart upon impact, and the round tip will be designed to penetrate the targets, more for plinking or target shooting. Alright, I have this loaded up with 3 rounds of Standard Velocity first, followed by 3 rounds of the Quiet 22, and you'll be able to see the difference. Now for the Quiet.